Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. So in today's quick video, I'm going to show you exactly how to reset your Panasonic AC remote. So as you can see, I have this Panasonic air conditioner remote available. So in order to basically reset it, first of all, on most of the Panasonic AC remotes, you will find this type of small reset button. So you just have to simply use a pin or a paper clip in order to insert that in this particular hole, and then you just have to simply press and hold it for around 10 seconds until the remote resets. Now if in any case on your remote you don't have this reset button available, the second way of resetting it is via removing the batteries. So you just have to simply first of all remove this back cover, and then you need to simply get the old batteries out. Then you just have to leave it as it is for at least 1 minute. After 1 minute, simply reinsert the batteries. If you find that the batteries are low or old, you can just simply replace them with the new batteries and then reinsert it, and then basically wait for some time until it restarts. So that's how you can basically reset it. If this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.